By not adopting a work-share program, Indiana could be leaving thousands of jobs and at least $100 million in free money on the table. That's according to the Brookings Institute.
That's right. Fox 59's Kayla Sullivan has more on what that program is, in fact, and why some lawmakers not on board.
A work-share program would give Indiana employers another option during hard times.
Work-share allows the employer to reduce the hours of a group, a unit of employees by no more than 50%.
Instead of laying off workers entirely, they would work less hours, and unemployment insurance would pay a portion of the hours cut for up to 12 months.
28 states have enacted work-share. We have a large number of companies and our members that support work-share. We've given key legislators a list of some 200.
For a lot of our members, it's a bit of a new idea. And as you know, sometimes it takes a while for people to get their hands around a different idea.
The Brookings Institution looks to educate them. It estimates Indiana could have saved 34,000 jobs during May through October and missed out on as much as $116 million in federal funding for not adopting the program. Millions more is available if lawmakers act quickly.
I would say that this is a good year for us to discuss it.
Those opposed argue this is another social program or expansion of government.
Unemployment insurance is required by federal law. Work-share is just an additional option within the unemployment insurance program.
The Indiana Chamber of Commerce hopes the impact of the pandemic and new research from the Brookings Institution is enough to get this passed in 2021. Bray says if not this year, he believes this will come up again. Kayla Sullivan, Fox 59 News.
Well, Brigadier also says the federal government is looking to pay 100% of the work-share program partial unemployment benefits until at least September. It has already committed to paying $100 million in administrative costs to states that adopt the program between now and the end of 2023. So lots more to see here. But Governor Holcomb's office told us he will continue monitoring this policy as it's debated in the State House.